From the shores of Loch Etive, this is your beginner's guide to Cadderlie Bothy. From Connell and along the north shore of Glen Etive, you'll drive to Bonaw Quarry.
The what three words for your car parking location are behave, switch, fulfilled.
Walking towards the quarry, you'll see signs directing you to the public footpath. Follow this well-signed path past the slag heaps from the quarry and up the forestry track by the side of the loch. The path in is 3.8 miles and takes around 1 hour 15 minutes to walk, or cycle in at around 45 minutes, or maybe a little bit faster if you've got a lighter or better bike than I had. The what three words for the Bothy are teaspoons, surpassed, scary. The Bothy is the standard butt and bend format with a small dividing room. The right-hand room is the main room with tables, chairs, a fireplace and the wee library. Like every room in the Bothy, it boasts the original wood panelling. The left-hand room has 2 double sleeping platforms, a slightly smaller fireplace, and a smattering of tables and chairs. The middle room has bunk sleeping platforms and affords a little bit more privacy.
If you arrive and the Bothy is full, or you're not wanting to stay in the Bothy for whatever reason, there's plenty of room to camp down here by the burn in front of the Bothy and also down by the loch itself. Down by the loch, remember it's a tidal loch, so you don't want to camp too close to the edge of the water, otherwise you might get a little bit wet through the night. And down here behind me, remember that this is next to lots of water and it's quite boggy, which means in the summer in particular, there are going to be lots of midges and an awful lot of ticks as well.
I drew my water from the burn by the Bothy. I took care to draw from running water and water that was upstream of the Bothy. I opted to boil the water or to drink using my life straw filter. It's always wise to bring in fuel to a Bothy, however there is often fallen wood in the woodland near the Bothy. Remember, never cut any living wood, and for more information on that and basic Bothy etiquette, watch my video on the Bothy Code. There's no mobile signal at the Bothy itself. However, if you walk down to the shore, you can normally pick up a couple of bars there. Alternatively, you can walk back up to the path and then turn right, heading further up the glen from the Bothy, and after about 100 yards or so, I found there was a couple of bars of signal there. Cadderlie is in a great location to bike or to kayak into. Both activities offer up more activities of further jaunts down the glen. From the Bothy book, it looks to be a very popular spot for fishing as well. The native woodland serves a home to a great many flora and fauna. Sitting on the shore by the Bothy, I saw seals, golden and white-tailed eagles, red deer, and the Bothy book tells of otters and a plethora of birds too. The Bothy doesn't demand activity. It is an excellent place to sit and watch the light change on Ben Cruachan and Ben Stavar across the loch, and to watch the world go by. The history of the Bothy, the building, and the area itself is detailed in books. I recommend Cat Hill's Bothy, and articles of which there is a fine one on the MBA website, which I will link below. The area is rich in history, from the monks at Ardchatton to smuggling of goods and rustling of cattle, and steeped in folklore, which gives Cadderlie its name. Cadderlie is closed during the stocking season from the 20th of September to the 20th of October, and it is always worth checking the MBA website to see if there are any other updates before you go. Thank you for watching.